Umlisi okhuluma kule video ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe uthi mangathiwa inkatha ilwela umuntu omnyama angeke azanqena ukuthi asigqoke isikibha senkatha ayisupport. Uthi angeke aze lokho ehlaziya ukuthi umntwana waphinde angene kudala wenzani kuphi kanjani angabuka the bigger picture ebese yayisupporta ngaleso sikhathi. Okunye-ke kubalulekile kushilo ukuthi akanankinga noma bangaphathwa yisiphi isizwe as long as sizolwela umuntu omnyama. Kube sekumphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi amalungu e-EFF athuka amalungu omkhonto wesizwe ekubeni befisa bona ukusebenzisana naye i-EFF njengoba i-ANC yenza kwi-DA na kwi-IFP.
Ngale post nje ngizovuma induku. Ngizovuma induku nje ngane zakwethu ene-EFF. Hayi ningihlulile bafowethu. Hayi ningihlulile angivumi nje bafowethu hayi ningehlulile. Khona ozakwethu MK bebengikuzile bathi khohlwa EFF nabalandeli bayo ababuki yonke lento ebukayo wena ukuthi kufe umuntu omnyama ahlangana abambisane kulana incindezelo. Abakubukayo nje bona ukuthi i-EFF noma le mawabo must just succeed. Abakubuki lokho within the collective gain yomuntu omnyama. Hey, kulikhulu ukundifenda kulezo inkulumo ngendlela bafethu eniyiphathe ngawo inkulumo esibenayo. Angisho ni wrong angine-judge. Angizile futhi uzozama ukuniwina manje senengihlulile nje. Ngiyayivuma mina induku bafethu angiyena umuntu ogolozayo mase uhluliwe. Hayi bafethu hayi. Hayi niyakhuluma ngane zakwethu. Hey hayi niyathukana bafethu yezwa. Yabo nje la ngibizwa ngento eyiningi la. Ngibizwa ngomnyamana. Ngabizwa ngesiphuphu sonto omdala. Noma amagama engekho direct like that, but amanye amagama they're just making sense ukuthi I'm too old to be a fool. I'm trying not to be emotional guys ngoba le video ngiyenzile ukuzama ukunenza nifeel bad noma ukunithuka back noma uprove ukuthi yini libacha. Anginayo inhloso yalokho. Nginenhloso nje ukuthi ngithi cha bafethu. Malutho yobe hayi ningihlulile bafethu be-EFF. Ningihlulile bafethu. Ulimleni lepolitiki ilona belingikhuthaze ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ngabakwethu nina umuntu engakhuluma nani aphinde aninxenxe ukuthi ningaboni ukubutha ku-MK party. Bonani umlingani ningasebenzisana naye ukhulula into omnyama ngoba I was convinced ukuthi ngisho ngathiwa nama weaknesses athi zakhona but you are very clear ukuthi la objective ukhulula into omnyama. And I thought mhlambe nifila njengami ukuthi as much as ngayithanda inkatha for example kodwa mangase inkatha manje iqala icampaign yokhulula into omnyama angibothi mina ngakunqena ukufaka isikibha senkatha ngalelo langa. Angibothi ngakunqena oyeralini yenkatha the day yakliye ukuthi ifuna ukulwela into omnyama. Ngeke wena ndaba ukuthi umntwana ngaphinde engene ngo-1653 wenzani ungwakabuthelezi yena kayena ubukhosi kwabambo ngoba phela ubukhosi babuthelezi nokwabambo mina la ngizalwa khona uhlukene. Ngeke mina ndaba lokuthi ngabe ngiholwa ubukhosi bakonqengelele. Ngabuka nje bigger picture ukuthi lana sifuna ukukhulula into omnyama. Futhi angiyiboni ukuthi ngabana ndaba bafethu mina ngisho and I've seen many of comrades futhi nawe MK uthanjalo. Ngisho ungavuka mina bafethu ishangane leqala iphathi yalo yamashangane elwela ukukhulula into omnyama. Ngingagijima namashangane mina bafethu. Ngiyahamba namashangane ngeke mina ndaba ukuthi aya amashangane lapho. Ngisho ungavuka ivenda yabo nje la ngofloat bafethu MK party. Sinali ithemba ngalilanga ngofloat uyohlala ihlanisa kamtholozi. Mhlambe sesithatha kuhlophe mangabe babuhlophe naye sethi ngena manje Floyd. Ngoba isuccession isemqoka. Njengamanje waziholwa uThumbeza nje. Siyazi ngelinye ilanga uThumbeza uyofuna umuntu ozolwehlisela kuyena naye ekephumule naye. Sinakho ngelilanga mhlawumbe uFloyd uyosilida. Uyabona into engayazi ukuthi thina esaziwa njengamaZulu asinankinga ukuholwa noma yiliphi isiphi isizwe. iloko nje unicashele bafethu, iloko unicashele futhi asazi ukunicashela kanjani ngoba uziholile uMandela thina, uziholile uMbeki up until kuyena weqala izimpi nomsholozi be-first defender-ke iqabane-ke uma ngabe seli-victimize. Usiholile thina siholwe u-Oliver Tambo. And uma ucheck i-history uzozwa ukuthi amaZulu begijima phambili kanjani, kodwa khona kuhola ezinye izizwe. Kodwa angazi kwenzakaleni bafethu, yanicashela loo nto ukuthi asibona abantu abangathandi thina amaZulu uholwa abanye abantu. Izolo nje bekunoRamaphosa la e-OR Tambo, King Shaka International, ezovula isithusa sikaShaka. He was there, he was embraced. Ubanikwa ngisho ihawu. Why amaZulu nibona sengathi awafuni ukuholwa yini, awafuni ukuholwa omunye umuntu? Yazi nizomangala indlela uFloyd azoba successful ngayo MK Party. But it has become a very comfortable thing for all other tribes amnyama njengami to poke Zulus and say all bad things about the Zulu people. Why I'm bringing this thing of tribe? Because ama-argument amaningi EFF azwakalise ungamvuma Zuma based on his tribe or based on allegation that he's a tribalist. Manje bafuna ngibuza ngampela kodwa ma comrade EFF senimzonda ngalo ndlela umsholozi bafethu ukuthi ningamane ndileye i-struggle sabantu abamnyama ngoba ngeke nje nivume ukuthi nisebenzisane naye. And lama EFF I think sibe clear ngapha MK asisho ukuthi aqediwe EFF bese kucela i-cooperation on the ground up to parliament. That's what we were asking for. We are not asking you to disband your EFF. Of course, there was a suggestion at high level for that, but that's not what we're actually asking for now. The same way the asebenza ngayo ne-ANC. Kodwa bafethu nina nibona uxhoko kithi nesithuka ngazo zonke inhlamba lezi. Abanye bethu-ke be-MK baze bafola ku-trap yokuthi benithuke back, which I do not condone. I don't think ukuthiwa konke omnyama will help us in any way. It will not help us. Nami khona la ngasizwa khona sengiba nomoya uthe sengithukiwe phela manje. Nami ngacishe ngafola ku-trap, but I tried to avoid it and avoided it. That's why ungeke uthole anything engiyibhalile nginethuka, hayi ngoba nginama-emotions. But I always try ukuthi ama-emotions ami abe ngaphansi kwe-mental cognitive engagement, ukusebenziseka kwengqondo, and avoid amagama abuhlungu. Hayi awafiki nami iyachasuka. So bafethu nengihlulile, benginethemba mina singakwazi ukuhola abaholi bethu ngoba siyadinga ubaholi abaholi bethu. Siyadinga bane-direction nathi ma-followers. I thought sokwazi ukuholela umsholozi siphinde siholele uMalema ekutheni kuqhamuke iplan eclear ukuthi sisebenzisana kanjani in a more sustainable way ukukhuluma into omnyama phakathi kwe-EFF ne-MK Party. And kuyavela ku-evidence manje ukuthi umsholozi uzamile bafethu, akekho ungayiphika lo evidence ukuthi umsholozi wenze konke ukubiza uMalema ukuhlala phansi exoxiswana. So lebe bethi uZuma yena akenze ngani imizamo yokuthi ayeke uMalema. I think guys niyabona there's evidence that Zuma has done everything. So reach out to you. And all what he was asking for is cooperation. Not only with EFF, all other black progressive parties. So sengathi yena futhi nayi masosha Mkhondo, hayi mhlawumbe umuntu akayiyekele kuba holi lento le. Mina nje sengiyekela kumsholozi, uyena sositshela ukuthi wenzekani kuya phambili. Siyawina yini nge-EFF noma siwini? Masingawini bafethu sesiyohlangana on the ground se-campaigner le eyethu nani isiyolawulwa ovotayo kwi-ballot paper, which will be very unfortunate. Before siye siyi-united laphana bafethu. Angisho siye siyi-one party ngoba abantu bayashesha ukudideka abanye abantu. Kodwa siye sine-clear vision ukuthi sithatha amavoti kuma-constituencies ethu siyawahlanganisa ephalamende sishintshe i-constitution sithathe umhlaba. Kodwa-ke bafethu ngizwe inhlamba kuyiyona ethatha iqhaza elikhulu ey'nkulumeni zethu. Hhayi kubuhlungu bafethu, kubuhlungu esikwenza kithi, kodwa-ke asiyishiyele kubaholi-ke ibona sebeyosilamula. Ngiyabonga.